I really want to meal prep like something with steak this week. I've just heard it's so bad for you, and I don't want to die young or anything weird like that.
What, did you come out of like a 90s medical report? Red meat is okay now.
What? Since when?
Since ever. And new studies have shown red meat is not only delicious, but it's good for you.
How?
How?
Yeah.
I'll tell you. Let's get into it. Red meat got a bad rap. They were saying you shouldn't eat too much of it, and then it was like you shouldn't eat it at all. It causes all these horrible things. It's been linked to this, to that. And then we've seen so many other things be linked to everything that some of those studies I think have been undermined. And I think new studies have come out recently too, right, Jacqueline?
Yeah, absolutely. So red meat actually possesses a wide array of vitamins, vitamin B6, vitamin B12, and even other micronutrients, zinc, iron.
I had never heard this before, but beef is a main source of choline for people, and that actually helps with memory, mood, and like muscle control, and you can't actually get that in a lot of other meats, and especially in like a plant-based diet, that's super lacking.
Whoa, so you're saying that if I eat more red meat, I don't need to go to therapy?
I won't say that, but you could check with your therapist. But I think it started with separating too, like processed meat versus unprocessed meat.
Yeah.
Like there are processed meats, and that comes with a different level of scrutiny and different things that can be in there. But when we're talking unprocessed meats, steak or high quality ground beef,
right,
there's a lot of benefits there. It's all natural, and so you're getting all those great things from the way that the animal was raised, where it's raised, and then cooking methods. There are a lot of great things you can unlock from unprocessed red meat.
I saw this study somewhere that said like over 85% of grass-fed beef in America is imported, and I bet most of that is processed too, right?
Yeah, there's probably a lot of processed meat, but it's also unprocessed meat is getting imported, and you'll see it on like your meat shelves. And before 2015, if something came from Australia, you would have had to say product of Australia on it. But that got repealed in 2015, and now these big hunks of meat can come over from other countries, and if they just get cut here like into smaller steaks to get put in their packages, then they can be called a product of USA. But they were born and raised somewhere else. So somehow they get dual citizenship.
It's like really important to find a source that you can trust.
And it's definitely not the grocery store. And so you really do have to find a way to get connected. I know some friends of mine have bought, half cows or quarter cows from like a local farmer or rancher in their area. But unfortunately, wherever you live, you might not be close to a farmer or rancher. And so finding a source you can trust of high quality red meat that was raised right, that was raised locally, it doesn't just have the tag. It actually was born here. That's so important.
And it sounds like maybe if I get that kind of meat, my meal prep would be really good, and it's actually really healthy for me.
And in fact, I think I've got the perfect meat for you to meal prep with.
What?
I've got some good ranchers in the fridge, already thawed out. So let's go grab some of that 100% American beef from goodranchers.com. A source you can trust, transparent, 100% American. We're gonna enjoy it, and you can get some too.
Can't wait to not die young.